Today I'll show you how to add hearts on the Flow app. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. I couldn't verify a current official Flow feature called Add Hearts from Flow's help pages. Flow's official support clearly documents things like logging symptoms, using Flow for partners, and sharing your cycle data. But I did not find an official help article for a separate Hearts feature. So if by Hearts you mean sending something to a partner inside Flow, the closest official feature is Flow for Partners. Flow says you can open the app, go to the Partner tab, tap Link Your Partner, generate a pairing code, and then your partner enters that code in their Flow app to connect the accounts. Here's how that works step by step. Open the Flow app and look for the Partner tab. Flow's official guidance says it's on the bottom right side of the app. Then tap Link Your Partner. Flow will create a message with a unique pairing code. Your partner then downloads the Flow app, enters that code, and the two accounts become paired. Once you're connected, Flow says your partner gets a view-only version of selected cycle information and tailored daily insights during important phases of your cycle or pregnancy. Flow also says partners can see shared quiz responses, but they can't edit your data, see your personal notes, or view the symptoms and events you log privately in the app. Now, if by Hearts, you actually mean logging something in the tracker, Flow's official symptom logging instructions say you can tap the plus button on the main screen, select the symptoms or events you want to track, and then tap Apply the Symptoms. Flow also says you can edit or delete what you log later if needed. So the key point is this. I could not confirm a built-in official Add Hearts feature in Flow from Flow's current help pages. The closest official options are either linking your partner through Flow for Partners or logging events and symptoms through the tracker. And that's how to add hearts on the Flow app based on the closest official Flow features currently documented. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.